So I can come to this place, Ctrl/N, FBL3N. So FBL3N is a Tcode to check for GL to GL. It's the Tcode to check for GLs. Is a Tcode to check for GL, general ledger. So I'm going inside, then I'll put my bank GL, which is 147402 if I'm correct, which is outgoing payment. I'll click on all of it. You can select a range. This is an open item. This open item are items that have not been cleared. These are cleared items. You can put a range of what you want to see. This all item is like I'm saying, maybe I want to see from 001.2024 to 31st December 2024. If I click on enter and I click on execute, it will take me to the ledger. So I'll see whatever has been posted into the ledger. So these are the things that have been posted into the ledger. As you can see, the document number. This SA is document type, document date. 50 are credits. 50 is the posting key for credit. And these are the amounts that have been posted so far into the bank GL. We have 1,000 already been posted into the account. This is the one we just posted, which is hotel accommodation for Tcode. This is the one we just posted. So this is the ledger, and they are all open items because they have not been cleared. Because normally if you clear them, when you are clearing, you are doing bank reconciliation. That's what you do when you are doing clearing. You debit this place and you credit the main account. When we get to bank reconciliation, we'll get to see that. We can as well check. Okay, let me go back. Just go back one leg. We can as well check the hotel accommodation. I'll click on inside, then I click on search, then I'll just pick the hotel accommodation to see the items we've posted. I'm selecting it, then I'm clicking on all, and I'm clicking on execute. So you see this is the only item we posted, which is hotel accommodation to 200,000. So that's how to check a ledger, to check a report. This is a line item. As you can see, GL account line item display. This is how to check a line item on display. And we can as well check based on trial balance. I can go back and I'll show you a part how to do that. Document entry. Let me just say information. Like I said, I've shown you how to check this thing with information before now. So we go to information GL ledger report. Then I'll say I want to see maybe account balances. Okay, so I will close this part. Let me come to master data. So chart of accounts, account assignment, display changes to GL account list. So this is not where I'm coming to. This is not where I'm coming to report account balances. Let me see financial statement. I think this is also. Let me see account balance. I should be able to see this on account balances. General GL account balance. Okay, fine. So let's use GL account balance. Let's use this one, this Tcode. If I click on it, it will take me to a place where I can see the TB. So chart of accounts. Chart of accounts is a list of all our accounts. So I think what I use for my chart of accounts is AD01. So chart of accounts for Adams. And so I'll use a company code. AD01 is also what I use for my company code. Instead of putting a specific GL, I'll just leave everything. Then I'll come to this place. I'll pick fiscal year, which is 2024. I'll pick a ledger, which is OL. Let me see if it is OL. Okay. So then I'll select period, which is 1 to 16 or 1 to 12, as the case may be. And so these other things, other fields are also important depending on how you want to drill down on your reporting. You can click on business area. You want to see based on business area. You want to see based on currency type. That's if you have like 1 or 2, 3 currency. You have maybe Naira, USD, and pound sterling. You can choose what you want to see. The report you want to see, is it based on USD or is it based on Naira or is it based on pound sterling? So these are output control. How do you want to see the reports? Corporate group level, balance in foreign currency. So you can always drill down using a lot of things here. You can also put a layout if you have any. So I'll just click on execute and I'll go inside the ledger. So this is the ledger. So the ledgers that have been posted now, we have more than these ledgers in our system, but the ones that have been posted into are the ones that are showing here. The ones that we are posting entries in it are the ones that are showing. As you can see, any bank outgoing, transport, local, hotel accommodation. So let me go there. There are if you want to see all the other ones that have not been posted to, there's a way you do it on your output, but you'll be seeing 0 there because nothing has been posted there. If you could remember when we checked the ledger, it is 1,000 credit that we could find on the outgoing bank, and the same thing is happening here. This is more like a TB, like a trial balance. If you want to see all the balances in the account, you see balance from period, which is previous year, and you see also see balance from the how TB are being generated. This is how TBs can be generated. So when you come here, you see, okay, why this thing is showing 0. I'm sure you understand. For every account posting, everything must balance. The debit to a credit, you must have a TA account, or how do you call it in this? For anything that have a debit, you must have must have a contra credit. So, and that's why you're seeing 0 here, because your TB must be 0 at every point in time, and that's why you're seeing 0 here. At every point in time, if you add up all your balances on the GLs, they must equal to 0, and that's just what is happening here. So that's if you want to check ledger. I'm just showing you how to check line item ledger wise, and I've shown you how to check TB at TB level. We can as well delete some entries